If you want to make your document look cleaner and more professional, adding a border to a text box in LibreOffice Writer is a simple trick that makes a big difference. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to insert a text box border in LibreOffice Writer step by step, so you can customize the look of your content quickly and easily. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy LibreOffice tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, on the left side under Create, click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, you can use that instead. The steps are the same whether you're starting fresh or working inside an existing file. Now, insert your text box if you haven't already, or click to select the text box you want to edit. This is important because the border settings will only change for the selected text box. If you have multiple text boxes in your document, make sure you choose the right one before continuing. Next, right-click directly on the border of the text box. Be careful here because you want to click the edge of the box, not inside the text itself. When the menu appears, click Line. This is where LibreOffice lets you control the border appearance. After that, you'll see options for the border style, color, and width. You can choose a simple solid line, a thicker border, or even a different color if you want the text box to stand out more. Take a moment to pick the style that best fits your document. For example, a thin black border works well for a clean business layout, while a colored border can help highlight a note or important section. Once you've made your choices, click OK to apply the changes. LibreOffice Writer will immediately add the border around your selected text box. It's that easy. If you want to adjust the look further, you can repeat the same process and change the line color or width again until it looks exactly how you want. This is a great way to make headings, call-out boxes, quotes, or side notes stand out in your document. And that's how you insert a text box border in LibreOffice Writer. In just a few clicks, you can give your document a more polished and organized appearance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next simple software tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.